So right now I'm gonna like present you some of the features, one of the features that we are more proud about in Kaiban. So, and it is the Kaiban board. So what is a Kaiban board? So we were looking for ways to like being able to represent like the actions of the agents and the process that the team of agents is working on. So we come up with this like nice crazy idea of putting in a Kanban board. Like I'm pretty sure all of you know what is a Kaiban board, a Kanban board. So you use it for your sprints to take track of the work. I use it everywhere, like in my home, in every place. So the Kanban methodology, you have like people, so agents are like teammates that they collaborate together, and you can see the visually the representation of the work. So if you once you create the agents, your tasks, and your team, you can see here in the Kanban board all the states that the tasks are gonna be like from one state to the other, just following the Kanban methodology. And when you open a card, you can see like the description of the task, the agent that is working in the task, and some details like the model that's being used, some stats, the activity, and so on. So when you kick off your workflow or you start your workflow, you can see how these agents start like moving the tasks from to do to doing. So this ended up really quick, and yeah, and they finish up. Okay, so here are the results, but let me show you like what is inside the card. So here is the result, the description of the task, the result, and then you can see like the tokens, like how many tokens, what was the cost, the duration, and then you can see all the activities that this agent did. Like all the life cycle of an agent, you can see it in the task, in the card here. And you can leave comments. So just as a teammate, if someone finishes a task and you need to do a correction or something, the best way like is you reach it through Slack, or you just come here and like write to them. Like let's say that let's change the name. Like let's say that we had a typo in the name, so we write to the agent, hey, so uh, there was a mistake in the name. The correct one is Alex Vivero, right? So here, when you submit the comment, you see how the car went back because this agent is correcting it, right? And you see, let me show you, like that's really cool. See the final result, Alex Vivero, but see how this agent start like saying, hey, so there was that was my comment, and then the agent like I need to correct it with the name in the structured data to Alex Vivero. So it changes the name here, and then the other agent, so which needed that task as an input, he came here and just changed it. So this is really cool. You can play with this in your local. Just make sure you follow this like tutorial here, like the quick start. That is just a few commands, and you're gonna have like the Kaiban board running locally. Or you can share it here too. So if you wanna share like a work done by your agents with your teammates or whatever, you have a share too, and you can like put environment variables here and all that. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. It's not very formal because I spent the whole day trying to do like a proper video to the thread, but I couldn't. So that's it. Let's see you. I'm gonna be like showing you like every feature of Kaiban, like in this kind of videos. I'm gonna have to shoot off like some more formal ones, but at least you know now how to work with the Kanban board. Okay, so see you next time.